Hello my beautiful babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching today. But in today's video, I'm going to be swatching all of my singles from Devinah. I just got the Star Chaser collection in the mail, so I thought I would swatch them and swatch the rest of my collection and also do a look with the new collection. So if you are interested in seeing all that, then keep on watching. Alright lovelies, welcome back. I hope everyone is well. It is Sunday for me and I am relaxed. I went and worked out today. I'm feeling good. I also am drinking on some kombucha. I'm obsessed with this stuff. Like every time I go to the store, I have to try a new flavor, a new brand. I don't know what it is, but I'm also like that with wine and beer. So maybe I just have an obsessive personality. But anyways, you're not here for that. You're not here to hear about my problems, right? So let's get into these beauties right here. I separated the new collection right here, just so you could see the new one. I'm so excited. If you don't know about Devinah, they're an indie makeup brand. They make single eyeshadows. They have a matte formulas. They have dual chromes. They have tri-chromes, I believe. They have a bunch of sparkly shadows, and they're so beautiful, so intense, so metallic. So if you're looking for a really good sparkly metallic formula, Devinah has a really good formula. They also do mattes. They have highlighters as well. I think bronzers and brushes on their website, but they're a very small, like, niche indie brand, and I think they make really high quality products. So I'm so excited to swatch these here for you guys today. But before I get into the swatches, if you're new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, and all that fun stuff, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. I do try to post at least 2 to 3 times a week on this channel. So, are you guys excited to see some gorgeousness, some beautifulness? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the swatches, do some up close shots of each of the sets, and then we'll get into a look. So let's start with the new little bundle here. This is the Star Chasers collection. This retails for $48 if you want to get it as a bundle, or if you want to buy the singles, they're $8 each. This is described as a color bursting pan of shifty sparklies. First shade that we have here is called Orion. Ooh, that looks like a pretty lime shade. But let's start with that. Oh, that is so freaking vibrant and pretty. Do you guys see that? So going on to the next shade, we have Altair. I think that's how you describe it. It looks like a nice little light blue. And here's that one swatched. Ooh, 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 this is pretty too. Look at that. Okay, so the next shade is Aquila. I'm probably butchering that name. It's so bad right now. Go right across here. Ooh, do you guys see how green that is? Wow, these are so soft. But look at that. So the next one is called Draco. This also looks like it has a green to purple shift. So here's Draco. So it's like a green. Definitely green. Maybe this one's more teal. So we have Vela, which is just like a little yellow shade here. So here's Vela. Oh, that would make such a pretty inner corner highlight. The last one we have here is called Lynx. Lynx, ooh. Yeah, that looks orangey gold. All right, let me get close so you guys can see the entire bundle up close. Okay, so here is the next bundle so you guys can see it alone. This is the Galaxy Dust Shifters collection. This bundle goes for $56, and then if you want to buy them just as singles, they're $8 each. This looks really pretty. So let's see how this is described. It says it's the showstopper super sparklers. These are going to be some of your favorites this year. We've straight up panned the galaxy dust particles and they shift. So the first one in the collection is called Magellanic, is how I think you pronounce it. But it looks like a nice little fuchsia color. But let's swatch it right here. Ooh, this is really creamy. And then here is Magnetic. The next one is Cygnus. Let's swatch that here. Is it me or do they almost look the same? I can't really tell too much of a difference between these two. Like in person, this one is a lot more orange. Maybe this one's like an orange to the magenta shift and this one's like a magenta to the orange. Honestly, I don't think you would need both of these. They just look really similar. Here we have is Starfire. That looks very purple in the pan. It looks like this one has a magenta shift. Purple to magenta. Ooh, this is really, really pretty. This is such a beautiful purple metallic. And this one has a like fuchsia magenta shift to it. Oh, these all almost look very similar, don't they? The next shade is called Skyla. This looks like a purple to like magenta shift. I'm gonna swatch that down here. I really like this shade. This is really pretty. This, yes, so it's purple to a fuchsia shift. So we got Celesta, which is this beautiful greeny, olivey, goldy shade. Ooh, I love a nice little olivey gold moment. And yes, this one kind of has like a darker green shift to it. Hope you guys can see. Yes. Next one here is Asteria. This looks like it's a green to purple shift. So Asteria. And the last one in the bundle is Messier. And this looks like a blue to purple shift. And let's swatch that right here. Ooh, yes. Yeah, blue purpley shifty shade. So these are all these shades in the Galaxy Duster. Let me get close so you guys can see. Going on to the next collection. So these are the Exploders. These are a lot more like light pastel-y, sparkly shades. This bundle retails for $56. As singles, they're $8 each. This is described as sweet, delicious, mouth-watering, shifty sparks. Ooh, so I think this is like Willy Wonka inspired. So we have Nerds. This looks like a light blue to maybe a yellow shift. So here is Nerds. Yeah, you can see the gold really strong in this. Ooh, that is so bright and vivid. I love that. So the next one is Everlasting Godstoppers. So this is another like light blue one. And this one looks like maybe it has a pink shift. Blue to pink. So Everlasting Godstoppers. Wow. Yes, this is a lot more blue to it. So here is Swatch. So this looks like it has a blue to maybe purple shift to it. I'll do Swatch. Wow. They're all so different. If you can just see them. They looked kind of similar in the pan, but when you swatch them out, they're all different in the shift. So here is Kazuko. So this looks like a lavender metallic. So Kazuko's. Yes, this is a really nice lavender metallic. So the next one we have here is Runts, which looks like a lavender shade too, but maybe with a goldy, like a light gold shift to this one. Ooh, yes. This is really pretty as well. It's on the lighter side than this one. There's a slight difference to them. This one has a pinky shift to it and this one has a light gold shift to it. So next shade is Pixie Sticks. And this is like a light pink with a gold shift. Okay, so let's get here. Pixie Sticks. Wow, that's really pretty. You can definitely see like the light gold in there. And the last one is Marshmallow Pillows, which looks like this one is a pink to blue shifty shade. Yeah, definitely has like a blue shift on this one. So Marshmallow Pillows. So that was everything in the Exploders collection. Let me get closer so you guys can see the swatches better. And the last collection that I have is the candy cakes. This is $48 for the bundle, or you can buy them as singles for $8 each. It's described as a cross blend formula that has few sheer bursting shifty sparklies throughout its solid shimmer base. So these shades have more of a pigmented base to them. The ones that I just swatched for you, the Exploders, were more sheer, more like shimmery topper shades. So this is definitely going to have a color base to it. So the first one we have is Confetti Kisses, which looks like a periwinkle shade, and it looks like there's little pink, maybe little pink sparkly bits in it. And let's swatch it here. This is so pretty. This is such a nice periwinkle shade with little pink little sparkles throughout. All right, we have Cream Puff Cuddles. These are such cute names. This is a very pinky shade. It looks like maybe this has blue sparkles in it. I'm not trying to flip you off, I promise. Yes, look at that. Then here is Mystic Moon Pie. Ooh, this is an interesting shifty shade. It looks almost like taupey, but has maybe a burgundy base to it. Mystic Moon Pie. This is my kind of shade. I love these kind of shades. Going on, we have this one green shade. This is called Rainbow Blossom. Swatch that right there. That is really pretty. I love these kind of olive metallics. And this one looks like it has like a goldy shift to it. Like little gold sparkles on that. So on to the next shade, we have Sweetie Sunbeam. So this looks like maybe a coppery bronzy shade. Okay, so Sweetie Sunbeam. Ooh, that is really pretty. Then the last one here is called Pancake Bubbles. These names, oh my god, they're so cute. Ooh. That is really pretty and bright. But let me get closer so you guys can see all of these together. Alright, so let's get into the look with the Star Chaser collection. So I think I'm going to focus on like the greeny shades and like maybe these shades right here. I don't know, I'm going to figure out something. And then I'm going to use them with my single matte shades from Colourpop. I haven't used these in a while and I need to get some use out of these. But I did prime my eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot and I did not set it. So I'm going to go in with the single right here. It's called Tiki. So I'll pick that up on the brush. I'm using a Glamlight brush. This is from their holiday trio. Sorry guys, I forgot to zoom you in for a moment there. But like I said, I was using the Tiki shade from Colourpop. Just getting that into the crease. Now I'm going to use the shade Team Captain from Colourpop. And I'm going to use that on the outer part and into the crease. I like this video so all over the place. You guys could only see me film and how like messy I am and how things get everywhere in here. I'm like never organized. Okay, so I'm liking this so far. I'm gonna take some of the Team Captain shade and use that at the bottom. I mean, you guys aren't really here for the mattes, you're here to see the shimmers, but just laying that down. I go into the yellow Tiki shade in the inner part. So I think this is decent enough. I'm not trying to do anything extra on the eyes right now. So I'm gonna go in with my glitter primer from NYX and lay that down and I'll be right back. Okay, so glitter primer is laid down. I'm going to use the same brush I was using. This is a Kaleidos brush. And I think I'm going to start with Draco. That's what I'm thinking I'm gonna start with. And I'm gonna use that brush and just pick that up and use that on the outer edge. Ooh, 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 ooh. Do you guys see what a glitter primer does for these shadows? Take some over here too. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna clean that brush off and now go into the shade Orion and use that in the inner part. Whoo! You guys see that? Do you see that? Like, these sparkly shades are gorgeous from Devinah. That is so pretty. I live for these. I really do. I live for these. So now I'm going to go into the shade Vela, and I'm going to use that all in the inner part and like wrap that down on the lower lash line. I'm going to use this brush from BH Cosmetics, and I did lay down some glitter primer in the inner corner too as well, because these are just so loosely packed. Look at this. Do you guys see this? Look how sparkly these shades are. Off camera, I added a little bit more of the olive matte, like on the outer corner, just to clean stuff up, and went over on the edges. But this is so pretty, so sparkly. I'm living my best sparkly life right now. So what I'm gonna do is just do some liner, some thin in the waterline, and put on some mascara so we can finish this look up and wrap up this video. Alright guys, this is the finished look. So what I did off camera was I did a little bit of a wing with the liquid liner from Il Makiage. Then I used my Major Pleasure mascara. Of course, I've been using that in like every video. And then for the waterline, I went in with this Pixie pencil. This is the shade Sage Gold, and it's like an olivey metallic shade. I thought it would go great with the look. On my lips is the Buxom lipstick in Goddess. This is what I've been wearing the whole video. And that was it. But I hope that this look helped you really see how beautiful and sparkly these shades are. Like, I cannot stop looking at myself in the mirror because it's so stunning. Like, in person, these are just so sparkly. You can't really see it on camera as well as like in person how gorgeous these shadows are. So if you haven't tried Devinah, highly recommend it. I love their products. I've always been impressed by their shadows. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this swatch video. Hope you enjoyed this look I created. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. Let me know in the comments below. Do you love Devinah? Have you tried their products? Are you planning to? Or just the things that you've been loving on and how you're doing? I love hearing from all of y'all. And don't forget to check out the description below. I'll have Devinah's website, all the shadows that I swatch, and the bundle links if you're interested in any of these products. And also my contact information will be there. I'm also on Instagram as Breezy Lifestyle. I'll have my name pop up on the screen. I would love for you to join my Instagram fam as well. And that was everything, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And I hope you are doing well wherever you are in the world, and just sending you love and light. But until next time, bye guys.